This little bee thinks I'm a tasty snack. I feel it tasting me. It's licking. It's interested. I must have something on me. I had some pollen I was messing with earlier. Anyway, this morning they're bringing in white, really white pollen. There's a one removing somebody from the hive. Either that or aggressively grooming. I think it's trying to get rid of one. Let's see if it's a mortician. Let's see. Yep, there they went off. They went off the edge. So yeah, they're trying to. It's funny is then they try to let go and they can't get them to let go. Definitely not aggressive grooming. That's like get out of here. A lot of times I'll try to pick up the bee that got kicked out and see if it's got wing disease or what have you. I'm glad to see that we're getting a little bit of defense. I was worried about these gals and had this just like one hole open and even had it restricted off. I had it pinched off halfway. So they really had to get, and they still have the popsicle stick that is like an alternative place where they can go behind and up and down. It seems like robbing happens late in the afternoon. Sometimes they'll be on this hive for a half hour or maybe an hour. And if I see them, I'll come down and I'll restrict the entrance. And then I look at my other hive and they move over to it. There was obviously a bunch of foragers out overnight because as soon as they started flying, I saw just a line of bees coming in loaded with white pollen. Tried to get a colony going in the lands. 2 colonies I've attempted. 3 colonies. No luck so far. So next spring we'll try to get that going, that little lands. And if I can get a colony started in that, then I'll build a horizontal hive and put it over here in this section. I'm going to be roughing up these old hives. These were just totally polluted with moths, so I was burning them out. And these hives are kind of ratty. They got propolis in them, so I'm going to rough them up. I got some 40 grit. I think I roughed this one up already. No, the other one I roughed up. But I mean, it's got cracks and stuff. So, I'm not going to invest too much, but all that propolis right there. Burned out the corner. I haven't done this one yet too much. I need to burn it out, make sure that there's no moth remnants. Pretty ratty, but that's what I got. So I'm going to get in there and rough that sucker up and probably paint it, re-glue it. I was thinking about trying to take it apart and then re-glue it, but I think that'd be a mistake. So we'll see. I've got another Apamate bottom and top that'll probably going to do that. Or that's a medium super, but down below it I'll probably put I got another box with frames, and I'll probably rough that one up and get it all set up. No rush because we're coming in the end of summer here. We're in late August.